Hey crafters, welcome in and Merry Christmas to Guys Craft 2. My name is John and I appreciate that you took the time to drop in and see what Lynn from the Soft Squares has provided and gifted us in the 25-day Advent box. So we are on day 9. Guys, where is the month going? And at the end of the day, how did we get to day 9 already? This is just getting crazy and out of hand. But I do appreciate she put a snowman on each one. It did help me understand 9 and 6. And I went back and watched her video because I've been watching her video post because I want to be able to give you my kind of unbiased opinion. Like when I open it up, I want to be surprised. And then I go back and watch some of the things that she says and points out. And the fact that she's giving us some tutorials along the way too, which is just awesome. So I so far love everything I've gotten from Soft Squares, along with like the extra candy, the cookie, and some other things that she gifted us, which didn't have anything to do with the box itself. So all of those things are fun as well. So this is the first actual box, really, that I would say. And so let's rip it and see what's in here. It's interesting. It's a rose gold color. Oh my gosh. And right on top, which is the best thing ever, right, is a 25% off with your discount code that came in your Advent box. And it says shop and redeem over at Patchwork Pendants. So she must have partnered up with Patchwork Pendants, and they are giving us a 25% discount code that we can use for purchases. So I am not showing you the card because I'm not going to share the discount code because I don't think that's fair for the other ones. But this says, again, Lynn puts a note in every day. It's interesting on her channel, she reads the note and she reads a note from the elf, which is always kind of entertaining. So I'm your elf on this channel. It says B-Box Day 9. This pretty box has a very special gift inside. This was made by an artist on Etsy who has graciously offered you a discount on more of her beautiful items. I hope you will check out her Etsy shop where you can find coordinating items. You should post a picture to the Facebook group to share which one you received. Oh, so, and again, like I said, I haven't watched her channel, but apparently we all did not get exactly the same. So that's even a little bit more cool, right? So, lots of tissue paper, and that's fine too. And it was probably smart the way she did this. So let's see what John got. This looks like a necklace, and it is from a Etsy store called patchworkpendants.etsy.com. And it has a what I'm going to tell you is a featherweight sewing machine along with the patchwork pendant of quilting, and it is meant to be a necklace. And how cool is that? That is actually really awesome. So again, this would be more of a female gift, right? But I have a lot of friends that are into the quilting and that. I can definitely regift this. Am I disappointed? No. Guys, when you're trying to put a box together for 25 people and be creative and share and do different ideas, I think this is awesome. I think this is cool. And I like the fact that Lynn is bringing in other creators and helping support other businesses, right? So this is another Etsy creator that she has been able to give some airtime to get out there, to get their name out there. They're doing things that support us a little differently in the quilting community, right? Because this patchwork is really adorable. And I like the fact that it's in the browns, in the teals and that. I think that's awesome. I like the little featherweight machine on here. So overall, I'm very happy with this gift. I think it's cool. Um, One of the things that Lynn also included was a cookie, sugar cookie for us. I did eat mine the other day. And again, that was kind of cool because she talked about how she found that lady. She operates and bakes out of her home, and blah, blah, blah. But again, bringing others into this community, bringing others into helping support their small business. Because, guys, there's plenty of business out there for the big folks that can deliver for us within an hour and all that kind of stuff. But there's a lot of small struggling businesses that do some really creative things for us but we really need to think about how we support our small businesses and not these just global national businesses that fill a need. I'm not taking away from those because I have my groceries delivered every Friday by one of those big box stores and that. But at the end of the day, my creativity and all those fun things, they come from these small businesses. So with that said, I didn't mean to drone on and kind of get on a soapbox, but I think this is awesome. I appreciate what Lynn is doing. We are on our last single digit day in December and in 2025. This is just crazy. But I appreciate you dropping in, listening to me. I hope you all are having an amazing week. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.